I'm going to show you what she gave me. But first, let me tell you that here's with me, LPS Ashley. Hi. And Jasmine Cute One. Hi. And yeah, let me show you my tray package first. This is her package. And I love the decollete. Okay, first of all, she sent me this chocolate donut. And it's a mirror inside. Super cute. And then she sent me this Minnie Mouse. I love Minnie. This is cute. And then she sent me DIY candy. Yay! Yeah. Did I have to make a video of this? Okay. You like it, Jasmine? Yeah. And then she sent me kawaii stickers. Kawaii stickers for my lesson. And then she sent me memo paper. These are cute and unique. And then she sent me kawaii stickers. I love this one. And then she sent me a little baggie of candies. Who love candies? Me! I'm pretty sure. And then she sent me this awesome card that I love. It says Color Diamonds. And it's so super special and I like it. Really neat. Thank you, Sadeo. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the things that I purchased from her. First, I bought this one. Rilakkuma Dango. Super squishy. And then, big Winnie the Pooh. I love Winnie the Pooh. This one is squishy. Squishy, Ashley. Okay. And then, one of my favorites. Rilakkuma. This is gonna be my favorite from now. Rilakkuma in a cupping. Wow, love Rilakkuma. Yep. And then, a Rilakkuma donut. King one. A yellow Rilakkuma. A little Mickey Mouse. Macaroon. I love it. And Steamboat. This is cute. I love this one. And they're really squishy. And then, another one smiley. It's a big smile. Another Rilakkuma donut. And a hamburger bun. And yes, she sent me a cute letter. And I'm gonna read that one by myself. But here's her letter. I want you to see. These awesome memo paper she sent. And she's really sweet.